In this video, I will show you how to change DNS on Chrome. So I'll be showing you today how to change the DNS settings in Chrome and choose a different DNS provider for your browser. Whether you're looking to use a custom DNS service, improve your browsing experience, or just simply learn how Chrome's DNS settings work, this guide will walk you through the process and show you exactly where to find the settings you need. If this video does help you out today, don't forget to leave a like, comment below, and subscribe for more Google Chrome tutorials, internet tips, browser guides, and easy tech tutorials. Now, to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser. Once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome and click onto the three dots to open this menu. From here, come down and click onto settings. And once you're in your settings, you want to come over to the left hand side and select privacy and security. Then what you need to do is come and click onto security. And from here, what you can do is scroll down a bit until you see the option for use secure DNS. What you want to do is make sure this is toggled on, and then what you can do is select your DNS provider from the drop down box below. Now personally, I prefer to use Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. I find this to be a really fast and safe and efficient browser, but of course you can use any from the list here. And if you want to use your own custom DNS, you can see there's an option to add a custom DNS service provider here, which if you give that a click, you can start to enter your DNS details. So now is how to change DNS in Chrome. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Google Chrome and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.